Kisamla puli ke sekolah North Eastern Hill University ke lepen sengo bawa la kalong kumno ke jinglong jingman ru Vice Chancellor kena ke sekolah Professor PS Shukla Desho Panwan Pash kena ke sekolah Badekenil ong du General Secretary berem ka KSU Nehu Unit Rudolf Khan haka kakandai trip menai wiang arajar apusau. Habakrani kelat patai kubor Rudolf Khan ulong yetho bakakoi ke ajak samla puli ke beshim bentah kena ke jingsa tangan kalong ke senior bha. Namar ke jingsa tangan ke belakot jaga kat saus nitam. Nari nagal yang kisamla kerang yang scam bade benuweng no Vice Chancellor nagane ke sekolah ba. Halor ke jing selam ke sorkar pedeng ban pedorlong ke jing dawa ulong ba ke sorkar pedeng ladi macam kia mardo re ke jing dawa de ke bapen pauru ya ke jing diau halor ke jing bam ke lang jong ke sorkar jela. Ula kedau nagal yang menteri rang ba ulo ban mi shikne ke jaka handri uban kum ulu shimet. Bat kania ke lepen diau yaki tamar bahaga jing shisha ula dia menuan kum menteri rang ba macam kia ru bende chido sedali bani keren halor kene kamat. Halor kejing syakta kisamla pulian na kejing bamiok ban penlong kelas ulo ong bagaran kejing kata ke bejur ya barok kisamla puli hagane ke skul ba dari ulo kerpat begini Aisyah bat snok tilang kenang ban la ban penor long ya kene kejing dawa ban bah kalawei jog kisamla puli jog ke skul ba ha bayok menekren badu acting vice chancellor Professor N Saha ulo ong manakal yang ju uncim kia kat bala ban penbet no ka kenrum kenram kabadon hagane ke skul ba.
Once I had a meeting with them, they said they will likely to cooperate with me. All these essential services and all like finance, academic, budget, and then whatever sections require immediately for the welfare of the students and emergency services, they've opened up already. So I've requested them to call up the strike or suspend the strike for some time till the report is prepared and submitted by the committee. Hopefully, they'll totally withdraw the strike. They are still adamant. So unless they withdraw the strike, the classes cannot be started. So they will not allow to start the classes. So slowly they are relaxing. Hopefully, finally, at least they suspend this hunger strike for some time. I am very much optimistic about this.
Te hadin kasausni balad dan kenika jingcatkan ke ba indefinite hunger strike bala panyat daga neusu haringkar ka jing trelang bat kesu ne huinit nilai i ba labun ki ki baja bat ka ba kampungsan hi i ba ki babun ki samla ki ba sosathan hang te hapo yeng ka bala ka yeng tan ka te bala bu hang te ki labun ki bala shitom aga ba lakit ki hospital Jerman kasngi hot kumbagalong hi la bu utau acting vice chancellor and vice chancellor in charge nrei ka jingdawa hi ba kampongsan bar ka jingdawa hi ka bangi dawa no ning kong kasngi kalong ba they want remove the vice chancellor but hang no ka bentaru vice chancellor dei chu bandon hang ni po university te kani ka de ka wei na ki kita ki jingja ki belajar kita kat saus ni nrei ki babun hi na ki samla ki basong sathan hang ni menta kila kita nak kamet ke bamda klain bat ki bla shitom hadu ba menhandan kamiat ru UGS jong kaki isu ni hunet la ha bandra no hospital lambar ka shitom ka bala jor hakamet ka jong u bar kini ki de ki taki jingjia ki ba kham kongsan ki bla ja ni ka sausni ndai ka balong kham kongsan pada kalong ba kani jing dawa pa ka jongi ba uni vice chancellor un mid on nakani university kam simla tlot no andrei ninangai beteng pade bandawa halor ta banta
haduk khat sausi ngim shim lai i ba nakaliang ka sarkar India hi kan shim khia te ka i ka bidon ban ong halor
te hawat ka long baran kam ba ka sarkar India ga de ban shim khia lo kan ga banta andrei kumbangi tip wat kasti government ro kam simale yai hawat nakaliang chief minister la tho sha ka Union Ministry of Education andrei kata kamdei ka ka bang ni expect no chief minister ni dawa haji shale baul adai ban kum chief minister adai ban wan khmi shane kum chief minister andrei wan pan kum individual uhu lakhan shah lo ni ka benta bad haji shisha adai ban mi sport Delhi banyakan halo kan ka benta panya kendu ya ka Union Ministry of Education banjur ya ka Union Ministry of Education ba kan len kham kloi hakaban simkia lo kan ka benta ban resolve no ini issue ke ba ya kan do hakan ka por bamenta ka ba ka panlong students ki jongi ba kendon ya kan ka protest kata ka indefinite hunger strike tang namar ba nakaliang jong vice chancellor shimla mencur ta jindawa ki jongi bat komjuru nakaliang ka ministry kam shimala bale
No, already we have all lost 2 weeks. So under this present situation, it will be very difficult to conduct the exam in December. So we may have to postpone in next February. So only after reopening after winter vacation also we may have to conduct the exam. No, I cannot tell because I have to take it to our academic council. So we have to reschedule our academic calendar. So whatever collectively decision we take, so I'll strictly follow that.
Khắp sau ni phi tên ya ka jing ki ya ka jing sha nan dei kan bu jing mai ki kena datu kan don kanu pat la ka wei ba ka senjam ka pa pinsin nang ba kan bu jing ma su ki kena
kya kumba ka long hi nakaliang ka jikni ki samla ki bala shimbata ka ni ki jing than kile hi nakamon sobha ka jongki kadai hi kam sim sanrang ka jongki ba palong ki bakin wan chakmat ban cha than klembu sngi la ne klembu por but ya kani ka simrai ka jongki la sim katkom ka capacity ka jongki hi hawan nakapor sakapor lang sepakhat ki padagi wei sinjam ki bangila bande nakabanta ban penolong ya kita jindawa ki jongi dai nadu kasngi ki banikong hi ngadawa ba kadba vice chancellor sim la sa weng nang ni napo university lani kadba vice chancellor pat resign lani sim nak ta leave ke basis nam khrabanai nakaliang jongki ni samla kilabu be ya kata ka scam ka nongrem ba kin chathan ben tat hadu kinda urlong kini jindawa ban hadin bangla UI atau gajing thung yau tau acting vice chancellor kumbakadai korukom hi as default ba lada umdon vice chancellor in office kajudai korukom umdon acting vice chancellor te ya kata ngin da sofer makadai korukom jong university hi ndre wala kataru ni nakaliang ka kisamla puli hawa ni padiang sombha ya gajing thung yau professor N Saha gum acting vice chancellor jong school ba ndre jintawa kajungi pagadang ini kumju hi bat kumba ngila plat yaitu ka notification ba wala la padiang sobha ya professor N Saha banlong kumta vice chancellor in charge ndre kajing dawa pada ka kanang dai kumju hi ban tang kata dai tang baka continue ndre kana kam intensify ru lakin ni sngi ban wan but let's say lada nakaliang jongka university but nakaliang jongka ministry kam shemya jing kli but ban shemya jing kya ban le kham klo ya kan ga issue ka bangi kan do hani ka school ba let's say padeng sabkha yik we dig senjam ki bangin shim ndaya manta hi kan ka indefinite hunger strike kadai hi ka senjam ka bakongsan ka bangi nakaliang ki students ngila dry hado ba vice chancellor mi sungai university.
Yeah, actually from my side I'm trying my level best to bring the normalcy in as early as possible. So whatever has been assigned by the ministry, so I'm strictly following all these directives. So as you know that already an inquiry committee has been constituted, a 2-member committee. So we are working with them. They have asked some report on the basis of the allegations made by different stockholders. So we are collecting all the relevant papers and by today we will be able to send to them. And only after that probably, and I'm sure they are coming to visit us, and then they will also talk to all stakeholders. They will directly contact them and they will like to know what other grievances they have, and of course with proper evidences. Otherwise you know that inquiry committee is just talking like that, so they cannot accept it. So that's why I think whatever directive has come, so we are doing it. And then regularly I am having meetings with different stakeholders as well as our new administration officials and all. Yesterday I had a round of meetings with different stakeholders as well as my officials, and then I'm getting full support from all angles. They are very cooperative with me, I would say. Even students also to some extent, they are listening to me, but they are little bit adamant. They say that unless the Professor Shukla is removed from this university or he resigns, so we'll continue with the hunger strike. So we are not going to withdraw that. But still, we are trying from all angles that they call off their strike or they suspend the strike till the inquiry is over.
Ka khubor hi kalong ka ba tangwe hi kasur ba Lada long gumno ru ni nakaliang kisma puli jong ne ka school ba om tang sma puli henry wat kinong hikai kinong tray jong ne ka school ba ibu betang ko jing dawa bat ko ga kentien ba vice chancellor hi umdei bandon su hang ne ka school ba.
Because you have to also give some windows for the inquiry committees, is not it? Otherwise, see, they come and then you continue your hesitation as if you are putting a gun on the head of the inquiry committee and then you demanding something. That won't be a fair judgment. So we are trying to convince the students union that they give some relaxation or they temporarily suspend, and then this work, whatever is being done for the welfare of this university, so that will be carried out smoothly.
Ya kata hitingi rungi mla bangin len ba haba kadon kajing sange har rom tarikam jong school ba kadon bejing syakta kamtam e semua pulih hakani ke school ba te nomor bala cancel ki classes ada mala cancel ki classes ya kesala bos sumla asuban pendam por babiang kum ke por blabu hi bad kumajulong hi ke exam ngi pelong hak di Desember bad ya kata rumla asuban pelong ladang apet kum kani ka jinglong jiman jong kani ka jingaki ke jongi ngam itikna ba hau Desember ngilan pelong exam le si haban ra pressure ki wei pada ki benai nani jong usam banwan te kata kalong ka jing kendo ka jing ba kongsan ke bangi kum semla pulih ning ya kendo reh kum kani ka por jong ka jing yakhi yaksar jongi samla pulih hang ne po school ba ngi ya kerpat bangi kentulam ya ki para samla ki ba pulih hang ne ka school ba ban ya syalem manong ki ba ya sya akum kani ka por ba menta om tang kata hendrei ban ya sno tilang bat ngi kum ki arseng ki ban pentikna ba ngin yo ya kata ka kurkam trikam hang ne ka school ba ka ba khoi hawat ngin jenjar menta hendrei ai pada bagani ke jenjar ke ba menta sipor kan manra pada ya kajing mentoy ke ba ke ban khamjrong lani kata long term benefit nak benta ki samla pulih hakani ke school ba kajongi